Enagic is proud to present our newest product, Kangen Ukon Sigma. After more than 3 decades of creating premium Kangen water product lines, we now introduce the world's very first Kangen Ukon supplement, a blend of healthy nutrients and vitamins that support radiant health.
私の生まれ故郷である沖縄の太陽の下で育ったオーガニックウコンと還元ウォーターで作られたのがこの還元ウコンシグマです。皆様がこれを還元ウォーターとともに飲むことでさらなる真の健康が実現できるよう我々エナジックは望んでおります。
In this informational video, we will discuss the amazing benefits of Kangen Ukon Sigma. In the next section, I will give you a background of turmeric and how it benefits your health. Then, we'll give you an inside look at how Kangen Ukon Sigma is produced, manufactured, and regulated for maximum quality. And lastly, I'll review this terrific product and discuss how it can promote healthier living. Let's begin with some important information about Ukon, otherwise known as turmeric. Turmeric, known in Japan as Ukon, is native to Southeast Asia and is common in other parts of Asia as well as Africa. Turmeric is a member of the curcuma botanical group, which is part of the ginger family of herbs. The golden yellow colored roots and rhizomes are crushed and ground into powder form. Ground turmeric has a warm and bitter taste and is frequently used worldwide as seasoning, food coloring, and holistic medicine. Turmeric's application as an anti-inflammatory dates back nearly to its inception in Indian culture and is traditionally ingested or rubbed on the skin. In Japan, Okinawa are well-known locations that turmeric is grown. Ukon was especially cherished in Okinawa, Japan, since the Ryukyu dynasty. Ukon powder is still used in teas and food seasonings for its unique taste, and of course, Ukon is also highly coveted for its ability to promote longevity. There are 2 types of Ukon. Spring Ukon, which is abundant in essential oil that contains minerals, and autumn Ukon, which is rich in a substance called curcumin. Curcumin contains strong antioxidants, which many people count on to help maintain a healthy body. The antioxidants help maintain healthy internal organs, especially liver function. The combination of curcumin and turmeric's essential oils stimulate the production of bile in the gallbladder, which allows the liver to function at optimal capacities. Curcumin is also known to help treat dry skin caused by sun damage, allowing you to enjoy healthy, glowing skin. With so many pollutants in today's environment, it is comforting to know that there exists a product like the Kangen Ukon Sigma to add nutrition and balance to your body and mind. For more information on the holistic properties of turmeric, we highly suggest reading this. You will learn what turmeric is and why it's considered to be so healthy by nutritionists around the globe. Enagic prides itself on its exclusive contracts with farmers in North Okinawa. All farms produce 100% organic Ukon roots. Once harvested, the Ukon is thoroughly washed in Enagic's very own strong Kangen water and is then sterilized overnight in Enagic's strong acidic water for ultimate quality assurance. Then, the Ukon is placed into a machine that gently removes the skin with ozone water. The Ukon is once again placed in Enagic's strong acidic water for 4 minutes. These meticulous sterilizing processes are very important to remove any residues and impurities. Enagic adheres to the highest levels of sanitation and production standards to ensure maximum purity and potency in all of their products. Finally, The Ukon is sliced and heat-dried for 12 hours. Once cooled, the Ukon is ground into a rich yellow powder. Then the powder is mixed with essential oils distilled from spring Ukon and Kangen water. This is the process used while manufacturing our newest product, Kangen Ukon Sigma. Kangen Ukon Sigma is the world's first Kangen Ukon supplement that combines autumn Ukon's high curcumin content with spring Ukon's abundant essential oil-containing minerals. Many other ingredients are also added for maximum health benefit. In addition to these ingredients, Enagic has also added other powerful antioxidants extracted from olive oil and linseed oil.
Kangen Ukon Sigma はカプセルの特殊製法で作られた商品です。このカプセルウコンはエナジック社の世界特許商品となっております。
Because turmeric has a natural weakness against oxygen and moisture, Enagic took extra measures to protect the purity of the organic properties of turmeric. The 100% botanical capsule includes seaweed extracts to protect the capsule from oxidation. It is also the world's first Kangen water soft gel capsule. Kangen Ukon Sigma's packaging uses innovative technology that repels moisture and prevents oxidation. The capsules are individually sealed in the durable silver, easy-to-use packaging. Each box contains 100 capsules, and Enagic recommends taking 5 or 6 capsules daily for adults for best possible performance. Enagic proudly obtains the patent for the combination of powerful ingredients used in this product, as well as the patent to the distinct Kangen water soft gel capsule, which is manufactured exclusively at our plant in Okinawa, Japan. It is Enagic's mission to ensure the highest quality of standards in all of their products, and the Kangen Ukon Sigma is no exception. In summary, Enagic is proud to introduce the world's first Kangen Ukon Sigma. From our meticulous manufacturing process to our dedicated quality assurance, we are excited to share this incredibly healthy supplement with the world. Enagic hopes you enjoy Kangen Ukon Sigma and strongly encourages you to use it in conjunction with our own nourishing Kangen water. The combination ensures double protection as an antioxidant, as they both prevent oxidation within the body. Enagic Ukon Sigma is a rare and exciting product that allows you to grow closer to your journey of attaining a healthy mind, body, and spirit.
Thanks for watching. My name is Kreel Hutchinson. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel. Head over to my website, livinghydration.ca, and grab your free PDF, The Ultimate Drinking Water Review. Cheers!